Yo, good morning, guys. Look, San Jose. Do these cars look familiar to you? Woo, what's going on? Teleport.
Hey, yo, what's cracking like? This is Jose from Oceanside, California, and you're watching The Daily Crowd.
Yo, what's up, everybody? Welcome to San Jose. We're here with Mike. We're gonna be showing him around. We rented out Thunderhill skid pad with all the homies. We're having a homies drift day today. It's gonna be fun. Yeah, look at this.
Bam, video interruption. Yes, see, look, I'm with Nick. You guys are wondering what the heck's going on. But this video with the drifting, I flew up to San Jose for a one-day drift day. Honestly, just to hang out with friends, but coincidentally, we're actually collaborating with Illiminate, Randy, and the boys. So if you guys want to grab the tuner crate box with them, it ends on the 19th, which is only like a few days from now. But enjoy the video. It gets pretty crazy because Randy does total his car.
Already taking over his camera.
What's up? What's up, Mike subscribers?
Troublemakers, man.
All right, let's head on out, guys. We gotta get there.
Okay, when we talk about slam, these guys are freaking slam.
Hey, shorty and I call a lift and we dip. I feel like shit get too high in my whip. Watch how little shorty keep reading my lips. Watch how little shorty keep reading my lips. Girl, it's a problem, it got
happen.
What's up, bitch?
Oh, damn,
he told me my windows wouldn't roll up or down. All you need is some persuasion. Ow. You just gotta close the door super hard.
Oh, really?
Yeah, let's do this. Let's go for one quick hit.
That's what you call jank.
Damn!
All right, we made it out to Thunderhill. These guys are about to go out, warm up some tires. I think I'm gonna head out too.
Let's go check the damage. Whoa, that's
damn!
What happened?
Sam! Hey, block this, Andrew.
Who has it? Yo!
What happened?
Shit, bro! Oh, he tapped the wall! Wait, no, he didn't. Hey,
Number 3. Oh yeah, my fat ass. Unfortunately, none of us filmed the crash. All of us are just watching, and then all of a sudden, bam, he crashes. I'll let you guys know, it was really crazy. Like, he was actually doing really well, and then boom, it happens.
Shit. We got. Can we try to push it out or? That's alright. I can throw this SR. Well, actually, but you.
Oh, damn.
Let me see. Slightly used. Everything in life happens for a reason, guys. You know, this is all a part of the game, and I can walk away, no damages, no nothing.
Oh my God. It worked! What the hell?
Mad lad.
Stock motor.
Yeah.
Welded diff?
Yes, well done.
Okay, it's good. In my car. I did get the opportunity to drive two cars, Randy's car and Christian's car. Thank you, Christian. I am super spoiled with my SR20, and I found out that I'm too used to the power, so I definitely have to work my technique. Thank you so much for giving me tips, Christian. I definitely will practice more.
Mike, I'm sorry I crashed today and you flew down here and you got to hang out with us though. But thank you for coming out. Super bummed, but next time we're gonna make this shit happen again. So really down to earth dude, man. So if you guys don't already subscribe, please do.
America. I'm with Nick. The drift day was fun. Thank you, Randy. Thank you, the boys. All you guys know who you are. You guys are freaking amazing people. You guys, if you guys are watching this, they are just as funny in person, if not more. It's just as nice in person, if not more. And that's really refreshing to see in the YouTube community. So make sure you guys subscribe to their channel. They're crazy fun. I'm really glad they're really like focused and they're trying to do big things. But if you guys look at this video, we've got a freaking racer in the back. Look, zoom in. Look, check this out. It's gonna get fun. I'll see you guys later. Peace. Nick, give me some wise words.
Buy the Dodge, don't buy the Ford. Fords are like tampons. Eventually every pussy needs one.
No.